Hi guys, thanks so much for clicking the video. So, it's been a long time, no? Na gantong setup na yan, nag-vlog tayo and all that. So guys, for today, let's talk about an applicant naman na paano kung may applicant na magaling na siya mag-English, okay? Tapos mag-a-apply siya sa call center. Kunyari talagang magaling na siya. Just like me before, yabang, no? Nagsabi ka agad. Because I used to be an English, tutor, Korean English tutor before. So parang alam ko na yung mga tenses and all that, yung mga paano yung grammar construction. Ngayon, paano kung ikaw wala ka pang experience sa call center, tapos magaling ka naman mag-English, nag-apply ka, does it mean na dapat makumpante ka na? Guys, the answer there is no. Okay? Tandaan nyo guys, I've seen a lot of people in the call center world na talagang hindi tumatagal sa call center even though ang galing-galing na nila mag-English. Why? It's because meron talagang situation na hindi lang English, guys. Dapat marunong kang makisama sa it's not it eh. Yung skills mo kasi is purely from conversation lang, di ba? So kasi guys, pag nasa call center ka, ang daming metrics. Dapat yung conversation mo, i-convert mo sa selling skills, di ba? Or, alam mo na, maraming transformation, okay, na dapat mangyari. Ngayon, kung ikaw, nakafix ka lang sa, galing naman na ako mag-English eh, kausapin ko lang yan, okay, hindi ganun. Because there are certain goals. Now, kung ikaw, nag-stop ka na mag-learn ng mga bagong skills na to guys, mind you will be stressed later on. Okay? Dami ko nang kakilala dyan. Ang sabi pa nga ng isa, I have an American accent, ganun, ganyan. How come, you can't understand me? Sinabihan siya ng Amerikano eh. Sabi na kanya ng Amerikano, yeah, I don't understand you. You can understand me, but I'm speaking fluently in American accent. So, parang matawa pa yung sa kanya because, of course, you against, a native speaker, guys. Of course, mayroon pa rin masisilip yan and they know na hindi ka talaga native speaker. Okay? So, ganun yun. Pangalawa, masyado yung yabang baka sa next na yan. Sa sunod na yan, kung talagang nag-tenured ka na, ang galing mo na talaga, yan. Galing mo, pwede yan. But for now, guys, kung English lang naman yung inaano mo, yung basihan mo sa maraming bagay, huwag ganon. You have to allow yourself na to learn other things while you're in the call center world, okay? Dapat matuto ka makisama sa mga tao, of course. Tapos yung process, guys, kasi additive na nga sa'yo, magaling ka na mag-English. So, yung mga process, dapat yun yung mga next mo nang gagawin, okay? Pangatlo, dapat hindi ka ma-absent, hindi ka mali para hindi ka ma-highlight. Parang ganun. Okay? So, yun lang naman guys. Kasi, yung iba kasi parang nagpo-focus lang masyado sa English, no? Na, magaling na ako mag-English, maging call center na ako. Correct. You might be hired. Walang problema dyan. But, can you stay there? Okay? So, siguro, marami pa dapat i-discuss sa topic na to. I'm just, siguro nagpakita lang ako sa inyo, maybe I'm excited, okay, na nagbablog na ako ulit and I really miss this part-time job of mine. So sana, alam ko in the past ang dami ko ring natulungan, may nagsasabi rin sa akin, but I stopped because for a reason na talagang marami lang talagang inaayos and tapos ng lahat ng yon and I would like to pursue my part-time job na as a blogger. Okay? Call center guy. Pagtang nga kaya. Anyway guys, ganito na lang. If you have any questions, yung mga questions lang that I can answer. So, yun ang i-highlight ko sa sunod. Tapos, dun tayo mag-involve ng conversation. So, ganito lang. Ayoko na nung vlog na you have to be detailed. Yung parang kay Kuya Renny, yung galing niya mag-edit eh. Pero, Ako, ganito lang. I think okay na sa akin to yung give me a topic, then I'll talk about it, realistic as possible. Kasi for me, guys, mas marami siyang, feeling ko lang naman, I might be wrong, na feeling ko mas may marami siyang natutulungan pagka ganun. Okay, so guys, wala pa akong tulog. Galing ako sa ship. Ay, tsura mo. Galing sa ship. Okay, so that's it. Pants it. So I'll see you again in my next vlog. Comment down below kung may questions kayo na maganda pag-usapan. Okay? Thank you so much. See you again. Bye for now.